Hi band potatoes, welcome to day 2 of the trumpet. We are going to assemble the trumpet and make sure you rinse out your mouth first before you ever play any instrument. To assemble the trumpet, you get it out of the case, you take the mouthpiece, you take the body of the trumpet and you tip it in and then give a little twist. Tip it in. You don't want to just jam it because then you'll dent up the mouthpiece and you'll dent up the leader pipe. So tip it in, give a little twist, and then thumb goes in here, pinky goes around the bottom. It's basically holding it like this. Look at this. It's like a phone hold, and you just put it in there. Okay? This third finger goes in this ring. If it's a little far away for you, just turn a little screw right here and you can move a little closer to you. And then the right hand comes in, boom. And it's like holding a baseball or like this. Make a C. And then your fingers are straight up and down here. Buzz before you play. If you get no sound, contact me. But I'll tell you, it has to do with this right here. Try this first. Just give a little turn on the top to the right. Always the right. Don't go to the left. Right, and it should work. We're going to talk about the valves a little bit later. Don't mess with them other than that right now. At the end of practice, you want to take these little parts at the end and you're going to blow air. And the other one, make sure you have a cloth underneath or something because it's the condensation that's going to come out of the instrument. Okay? So practice putting together the instrument and holding it. And you can practice getting sounds. It doesn't matter what you're reading. This is day 2, so it's assembling and holding it. Have a great weekend.